In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 per day by using a copy and paste strategy and AI. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be revealing a simple step-by-step tutorial, and this is a copy and paste strategy in which you can use AI to earn $100 per day. Something really important, guys, is that you need to watch the entire video and you need to be consistent with your implementation if you really want to get great results. By the way, guys, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. Now, let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that you're going to get the most out of this tutorial. As I mentioned before, this is something simple. As well, right now, according to my knowledge, you can do this strategy everywhere. It's a worldwide strategy, so it doesn't matter where you're from. You can actually do it, but again, you need to implement it. First of all, we are gonna need something to promote. Okay, we're gonna need something to promote. And with that said, we are not going to reinvent the wheel. We are going to go to websites in which we can see which are the most popular products. So we can go to Etsy. So you can go to Etsy.com and you can see which are the items that people are purchasing. We can see the best sellers. And with that said, we're going to have a great idea of, the buyer's behavior. What are they are looking for, what they are promoting. What they are purchasing, so we can promote it. Okay, you can also go to Temu, so the Temu.com. You can go to the best selling items and you can take a look at the same, what people are actually looking for, what are they buying, because we want to be promoting a winner product. You can also go to Amazon. Here on Amazon.com, you can go here to bestsellers and you're going to have a great idea of the same, what people are looking for. In this case, is per category. So you can go and you can promote it. Okay. So my suggestion is don't go crazy and trying to promote everything. Go with a niche. Okay. In my case, I'm going to go here with the fitness. Okay. That's going to be my target. People who are interested on getting fit, people who are looking to work out. Maybe they're going to go to the gym, but in my case, I'm going to be focusing on those who wants to have a home gym. Okay. That's my thing. So I'm going to see here, like, for example, I can promote dumbbells. I can promote weighted vests. I can promote water bottles, resistant bands. I can go with yoga mats, so these are things that I'm going to be promoting because that's going to be my target audience. So now, where you can get these products to promote, you can go on a website such as AliExpress. For example, here I have sports. So I can promote literally everything that is related to my niche, and I can find it here on AliExpress. You don't need to buy stock in advance. You can do drop shipping. So that means that when the customer buy it, you're going to pay it to the supplier and the supplier is going to deliver it. You can also use websites such as Printify, Printful, and customize things. So you can use the print on demand strategy. So here you can find really cool things, really affordable things in really almost every category. At the end of the day, is up to you what you're going to be promoting. Remember that my thing is going to be here in the fitness. Okay, people who are looking to work out, but they're going to get fit from home. So those are the types of products that I can that I'm going to be promoting. That's my niche. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and remember that if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So with that says, let's say that, okay, I already have some of the products that I'm going to promote. You can add more products later on. You can also create your own store by using uh, System.io. It's as a case. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account with System.io and you can have your own store on System.io. Okay. So let's say that, hey, you already know what you're going to be promoting. Okay. You are going to be doing that. Now we are going to be offering something extra. Okay. So I'm actually asked ChatGPT like, hey, I'm going to be selling sporting goods. What kind of digital guide can I offer as a bonus? Okay. And ChatGPT gave me some ideas. For example, it says like general ideas for all sporting goods, 30 days fitness challenge, essential warm up and cool down routines, meal prep nutrition for activity lifestyle, sport specific training plan. Here it gave me some examples. In my case, I'm going to go with this. If you sell fitness equipment like dumbbells, mats, band, this is my thing. Here it says home gym setup blueprint, teach buyers how to set up an effective space with minimal equipment, beginner to advanced resistant training plan. Okay. If you go with yoga, and if we go here on Amazon, you're going to see that we have here the yoga mat. We can do that and we can promote it as well. And the cool thing is that this is our guide. So we can be selling and adding as many products as we want. Okay. So now I asked ChatGPT like, hey, okay, based on, in my case, it's going to be home gym setup blueprint. Can you give me, the index for this guy, the blueprint, right? So here I have the table of content, the introduction, chapter up to 5, and a couple of bonus chapters and resources and conclusion. You can add more chapters if you want, or you can keep it this way. Now, what you need to be doing, you need to be asking ChatGPT, and this is something that you're going to be doing chapter by chapter. Like, okay, based on the introduction, please give me the information that I'm going to be adding on the introduction. Based on chapter 1 and the information that you can provide, give me 2,000 words to describe it, 5,000 words to describe it. Okay. So, but you need to do this chapter by chapter because this is something that well, at least right now it's happening with ChatGPT. Chances are that in the future it's going to change. Technology is changing pretty consistently. But right now you need to go chapter by chapter. If not, ChatGPT is not going to give you the best results. Now, when you have it, you need to structure the design. Okay. There are 2 ways in which you can do this. First way, you can go to canva.com and you can find an ebook and you can modify it. For example, in my case, it's going to be this one for fitness. I can modify it. It's your like, Diana, that's too complicated. Is there any other option? There is always another option. You can go to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, and you can hire a designer there. You can give them like, hey, this is what I want to add on my, on my book. Okay. That's another way to do it. Now, where are you going to promote this? Okay. How are you going to drive what we call traffic? And this is why it is so important that you choose a niche and you're not going to be promoting everything to everybody. Okay. You can promote it on TikTok. You can promote it on Pinterest. You can promote it on Instagram. You can promote it on YouTube and others. And don't worry, you don't need to create the videos, and this can be totally faceless. Okay. This is a cool page that I like, which is called Calisthenics 101 Calisthenics. Okay. They do exactly the same strategy as I told you. Okay. And don't worry, you don't have to be in front of camera. You can find videos from other people and you can repost it. Okay. So the most important thing here, guys, is that you need to be consistent with the implementation. You need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. It's not like, okay, I'm going to be posting one video today and then the next one on 20 months. No, that's not going to happen. You need to be committed, and this strategy is going to work with you. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.